everybody, Scrap and Maureen here. Today's video is a video where I'm prepping for the 30 days of sketches. I think it's series 21, I think. I went ahead and did some page kits for the first 10 pages. I'm going to be using Vicki Boutin, all different kinds of collections of Vicki Boutins. And I have so much different embellishments. I didn't put them with each page. I just put some pictures and papers, and the rest I will figure out as I go along. So this will be the first page. So those will be the first pieces of paper and pictures. I think the pictures kind of got messed up a little bit because I've been trying to put everything in order by page. So I've been going through and let's see. So these will be the different papers I'm using for number 2, sketched for day number 2. And of course it's going to probably be, other papers as well, but these are the main components so far. So this will be, I think, day number 3. Okay. And this one is day number 4. Okay. This one is day number 5. This is going to be my main paper. This sketch calls for a lot of other papers, but I'm going to pull in other papers from the leftovers from the first few pages I make and stuff like that. So we'll see what I end up with. And let's see, this will be the next day. I think, yeah, that one is this one. Can't remember what day I'm on now. Okay. I'm going to be using 2 pictures, but I'm going to make them a flip-flap kind of a thing. And I'm going to be using, this is going to be my main paper. So there's that one. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I got some of them mixed up here or not. I think I set aside a whole bunch of different ones. These all different colored ones go with this one as the main paper I'm going to be using with that one. And I think a lot of these leftovers go with, I'm going to be using with other pages too. I think these are the same thing. They're going to be set aside to go as photo mats and stuff like that. This is the next page. These two go together. I think my pictures are all mixed up is what happened. Okay. Yeah, because that one, these papers will be the next one. And let's see. Yeah, these papers will be with this one. And then I believe, yeah, these papers I'm using for the 2-pager. So there's that. If you'd like to see the finished layouts when I'm finished, tune back into my channel later on this month. Thanks so much, everybody. Happy crafting. Bye.